Hey guys, how's it going? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Fetch Rewards points with the Fetch Rewards mod. So as you can see, it says mod activated at unlimited points, and we can actually just increase our points like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, the points are going up like crazy. That is super wild. So all you have to do to get this is to go onto zoomods.com, the premier website for this type of stuff. And once you're there, guys, we're just going to type in Fetch Rewards, and as you can see, somewhere along the lines we will find the Fetch Rewards mod. So just press on it, wait for it to download. If you have like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to try it out because it's super cool. And Fetch Rewards points are very hard to come by otherwise. So as you know, I have a ton of Fetch Rewards points, so this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is so insane, guys. It actually works. As you can see, my points are like rocketing to the top of the moon, bro. Look at that, 140, 150, and it's totally legit. So I will see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And I'm not really someone that generally gets around the Fetch Rewards community that often, because a lot of people tell me that the only way to get Fetch Rewards points is to get a coupon, put it into the app, and then you get like 5 points. But the truth of the matter is, you can actually get Fetch Rewards points in a number of different ways. One of them being getting the Fetch Rewards mod, and there you go. So that's so cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. Be a subscribe to the channel. I'm at 230,000 points right now. That is so cool. So I'll see you guys later. Be a subscribe. This is super awesome. If you guys want to get Fetch Rewards points right away, this is the best way to do it, guys. The only way I would recommend. This is so cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is actually working for all devices, and you guys will have to deal with having tons of Fetch Rewards points on your account. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, guys. Oh my gosh.